Wishing you a happy, healthy, and wealthy year ahead. Thank you so much for tolerating me last year and showing so much love to my YouTube channel. I cannot promise you guys, but I'll try to be more constant with my uploads this year, and this year I'll try to make my life more colorful. And what's better idea than starting this year with a colorful tab customization video? So let's go. I already have few tab customization videos on my channel. You can check those out later. But in my previous customization video, I showed you how I create pattern wallpapers, and this time similarly I'll show you how I create this Pinterest gradient wallpapers. It's easy, just follow the process. To create the wallpaper, I'll follow the same process as shown on my previous videos. Open Canva, then click on this custom size option, and I am entering here my tab's display size. If you don't know your display size, for example, let's say you have tab S9AP, you can type on Google tab S9AP display. It's going to show you the size of your tab, and you can enter that here. After you create a project, you can change the background color as I am doing. Then click on this element and search for gradient. Then here on the graphics, click on see more and select from one of these round gradients. Choose from one of these and just make it bigger so that it can fit the whole canvas. Then you can change its color and transparency and do your experiments. After you happy with the product, you can save this like this by clicking on the share button on the top right corner. Same way I created this wallpaper and the black one. Now let's customize our tab. Before I start customizing my tab, let me show you another image. This one I also created this using Canva app. It's really simple, just a square image, and I'm going to use this as gallery widget. So you can create this. It's really simple. Just create a square canvas and add your favorite or your like elements or image or fonts, write a code or etc. Next, open the image that you want to set as wallpaper and click on this three dot option here on the top right corner. Then click on set as wallpaper. Then on lock and home screens. This part I showed you guys many times. Just customize the lock screen as your liking. You can add widgets, you can add one text down here or quote, and you can change the lock clock design, color, fonts, etc. as well. And by long pressing on the lock screen, you can customize that from here as well, like so. Our lock screen is done, so let's customize our home screen. I am going to follow the same layout as my previous customization video. I'm just going to change the colors. I really like this layout, so continue. Next, go to the home screen, then long press or pinch on the home screen. Click on this wallpaper and style option here. Then click on color palette and make sure to toggle on this color palette and apply palette to app icons option first. Then choose your desired color palette. I am going to select this green and pink one. You can select the colors according to your wallpaper or the colors you like, and click on apply. See, all the app icon turned pink. Some are not going to change. You can use shortcut maker to change their colors, or you can leave them as it is. I'm going to leave them as it is. Now I'm going to show you how to create app folder. First, select all the apps that you want to make folder of. Then click on this create folder option here. You can also add the folder name and change the folder color from here as well. Next, I am going to select all the app folders that I made. I am going to move them to the home screen. Then I am going to change the folder color. And now the fun part, I am going to add widgets to fill the home screen. So long press or pinch on the screen, then click on this widget option here and select your favorite widgets, or you can select the same ones that I am selecting here to make a similar looking screen as mine. So let's go. I added all of my favorite widgets like the Google clock widget and gallery widget, then weather widget and calendar widget, and one Samsung internet widget. Now I'm going to add 3 of my most used apps, that are Chrome browser, YouTube Studio and YouTube on the home screen here. I'm just following the same layout as my previous video one, so just follow. Then on the next screen I'm going to add a Spotify widget and a mail widget and a modes and routine widget. If you don't know how to set up modes and routine, you can check out my previous customization video. In that video I showed you how you can set modes and routine and what this is. Now I'm going to create stack. Just long press on one widget and click on this create stack option here and add similar sized widgets together. You can add as many or less widgets you want. I'm going to add few of them here and there. Then I'm going to edit the widgets by long pressing on them. Then on clicking on this settings icon, you can customize the widgets, like if you want a white background or black or transparent. After I do the final touch up, then I'm going to play one music that has pink background so that it matches with the wallpaper. And yes, I really like punk music, so and it's done. As you can see, my tab has really low battery, 11%, so I am quickly going to show you the final results, and I'm going to add the screen recording as well. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. And again, happy new year. I'm wishing you all a happy, healthy and wealthy year ahead. Take care of yourself guys, stay healthy, stay hydrated, drink enough water, and I hope I'll see you soon on my next video. Just remember, your health is your first priority, so take care of yourself guys, and bye bye. Love you guys.